doing?
I'm gonna get these funny reactions.
This isn't a full box, so
They might be all good.
Ew.
Good.
Ew.
What?
Okay. Okay, this is either. I already want to throw up.
Already?
This is either buttered popcorn or rotten egg. And
Ew.
seriously, I am so scared to get the rotten egg one. You can't tell.
That's the point.
Ew. Okay. Should I eat the one in this hand or in this hand?
The first one.
First one. I'm so scared.
Yeah, I can tell.
No. I don't know, dude. I don't want to put it back in my mouth. I don't want to put it back in my mouth.
Try the other one. Try the other one.
What's that?
Not good?
No, because there's 2 of each kind in the box. So there's 2 rotten egg, 2 buttered popcorn in this box. There are. So this one could be rotten egg again. They probably just left the gross ones in there, so some chump like me opens it and eats bad food.
That's so funny. This is my favorite thing ever.
There's a butter popcorn. I love butter popcorn, like the lollipops.
Ew.
Okay, there's black ones.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. This isn't even a win-win because I hate black licorice, and that's supposed to be the good one.
Yep.
Do you remember what the other black one is?
Skunk spray?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's disgusting. It's really bad, that one is.
Is it?
Yeah. Really bad. The left.
I can't smell it.
Try the left one.
This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's like I need a chaser.
Yeah, exactly.
My
You do.
Kroger water.
Kroger water.
I'm so scared. Like, I'm nervous. But I don't even like black licorice. It's like marijuana. That was the skunk.
Yeah, he found out right away.
No.
No.
I'm not even gonna. Ugh.
Yeah, I told you it's bad.
One that I kind of wanted to actually taste. You're gonna think I'm nuts. I wanted to taste baby wipes because I want to know what baby wipes tasted like.
Oh, that's bad. That one's bad. They're all bad.
And I wanted to taste the canned dog food.
It's because it's 2 pieces.
Yeah, I know it's because it's 2 pieces.
I just need to move it a little bit.
I know. Is Jason coming over?
What time is it?
I don't know.
Probably not.
Oh, dang it. We have to do this ourselves.
Ah, it's going to throw off the plates.
Yeah,
We're hanging that up anyways.
Yeah. Well, do we want stuff centered over the couch or centered in the wall? It'd be cool if we could keep the couch centered under the wall. On the wall.
How's this? Is this
Fine.
stupid?
No, that's fine. And then it kind of hides the stuff. Focus.
Kayla, ever since you fed me that chicken patty sandwich. Do you want chicken patties now? I bought some like 2 days later.
We bought some more.
Quest to find the cat.
Back!
Whoa, he comes to you. That's so cute. No way.
See, he did it.
No
earlier.
way. Cute. Can I pet you nice?
Hi, buddy. He knows his name.
Yeah, he does. He's so cute. Jack.
Bye.
Just look it over your. Well, I had thought of things that I was gonna say, and then I don't remember what they are. So I'm just gonna close this. If you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment. And if you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.
Might be the way that you're always staring at me. If I stay or if I go and risk everything. She said it's all or nothing. All or nothing.